anything on the clipboard, but just in case you should cut this part. Yeah, I just restarted. I just changed the key, so I should probably open the chat again. Wait, I must. Yeah. So for the people on YouTube wondering why there's a part 2 of this stream, it's basically because I accidentally showed my stream key, which is kind of funny because we were talking about that some time ago. That what could be the worst thing that happens if I show the stream key? That was one of the topics we talked about before. Okay, let's take. Is it noticeable that I'm not really a very good streamer? Don't apologize. It's my own fault. It's really my own fault. We even were talking about that. About this being able to like happen. I would still like to know. Do you use NeoVim? Does any of you use NeoVim? Like the tab spacing in C++ is kind of off. It's too. I don't know why. I am an Emacs user. Oh, maybe you can help me. Like, what's the whole deal with like people who use Vim having something against Emacs and people who use Emacs having something against Vim? I don't understand the whole like my editor is better. I don't get it. I have those sets. You just want to test how to react if he was this. Well, nobody tried to take over the stream. I don't think it's possible to take over the stream when I'm still streaming on YouTube. I'm not certain about Twitch, but I know on YouTube that's not possible. But what I also did not think would happen is that the stream would automatically close on YouTube. Like I actually had to stop it. I had to stop the stream and I had to stop OBS. But the moment that I stopped OBS, the stream itself closed on YouTube, which normally does not happen. But that could also be because I changed the stream key. That's also a possibility. Well, luckily I did. Ooh. Yeah, let's show my screen again first. Normally I'm not showing anything that's not allowed to be shared right now, so I almost clicked on clipboard again whilst talking about it. Yeah, right now my auto formatting for some reason uses 2 spaces. I used to use 2, but I would kind of like that to stop. Also, the whole auto formatting on like new lines because of like the like recommended size, kind of. Well, I don't think I will be able to change this. Yeah, no, they all use this, but that does not work for me. Well, I'll figure it out later. Well, if NeoVim works for me, like I've only been using it since the beginning of this week, so yeah, I'm not very good at handling everything yet. Like I finally got used to going up and down with J and K. That's about it. that's something that I was really struggling with. Like I can go to the beginning of words, end of words. I can do a couple of different things. You mean the don't want do don't do what you want line. I'm not following right now. Okay, this line, yeah, the don't do what you want line. Yeah, I don't even know where I set this in my config. Like I don't know where this is being set. I thought it was my LSP. But apparently that does not seem to be it. Oops. Oh well. For Godot, I'll probably go back to the normal editor anyway. I don't see myself using NeoVim too much for this. Why does this take so long? Even with this change? So I just changed it. I think it's just because of the whole video format being broken, I think. Oh wait, no. This is printing 60, so it thinks that there are only 60 frames in this video file. Oh crap. And I thought I fixed it. I thought I was finally done. Nope, apparently not. So... Okay, what if I do this? I think it's just because of the video file being completely broken. Yeah, still. It's based on stream duration, but it only records 60 seconds of footage. 60 frames. How about the other things? 148 sounds correct. There's like 14,000 ping pong. 600 correct. Oh. That's not correct. Why does that display a 0 now? Because of stream duration. So, was the other thing correct then? So just setting this to stream duration. I don't like working with FFmpeg. Instant, okay. That sounds correct. Oh, also instant. Okay, so what I had before was correct. So why is that duration compared to file duration so different? Wait, which file used... do they all use stream duration? NB frames. File duration. This one uses file duration, and that one is correct. Duration of the stream and stream time base. So we don't need the whole... Because of this duration is based in AV time base. Okay. So there's a difference between two. Okay, so that works. I'll quickly hide my screen. Let's check if it's actually hidden, and I'll try to find some other footage. So the WMV footage also works. I have an MPG file. Oh, whoops. I have an MPG file. Video successfully loaded. That was also quite quickly. But is it? Nope, it's not. It's not. What even is an MPG file? MPEG? It's just MPEG. It's not MPEG 2 or... This is MPEG 4, MPEG 4, MXF, Matroska, Windows Media Video. Going back to the 90s, yeah. Okay, how about we just block MPG videos? How about that? Let's save ourselves some time and let's just block that kind of footage. Okay, so everybody who says let's block it, hands up. That file is not that big. It's 27 minutes. How can it be that long? It's based on stream duration. Just block anything that don't work right now. That would honestly be the easiest thing to do, I think. We have 5 viewers. That I don't think I've ever had 5 viewers on Twitch before. Like, aren't there like those kind of like goals that you can achieve on? I really don't use this enough. Analytics, achievements. Reached 3 average viewers in the last 30 days. I'm at 1.7, so 70% of person watch my videos. Reached 2 followers, yay. I don't know, do people actually like try to do all of these achievements? This seems kind of... Purchase a TwitchCon ticket. Yeah, because I'm going to travel to America just for an achievement. Path to affiliates, path to partner. What's the difference? Build a community. 50 followers. So now we have 12. Get 5 people chatting at the same time. We have 2. No, we're still a long way away. I came from YouTube after the stream ended, then saw the Twitch one was on. I thought you switched to here. Yeah, I accidentally showed my stream key. I have been streaming for about 1 year. Have I? In here, I guess. No, research. No, achievements, I think. Where does it say that I have been streaming for about a year? No. Well, I've only started streaming on Twitch very, very recently. Yeah, somebody mentioned that it will be convenient, and I recently figured out that I could have like this multiple outputs, thanks to Sorayuki. Probably Japanese. Yeah, so I decided why not, let's stream on both. At this moment, I feel Twitch is probably the more active platform. But yeah, it's also like it's a Thursday, and right now it's 8 o'clock in the evening for me. But for most people, it's probably around like noon or early morning. Yeah, my streaming schedule really depends on when my wife goes to work and when my kids behaves. Right now, he's sleeping in the sofa. Okay, so seeking frame cannot work at all because we probably have... Seeking frame does not work. Watching from Portugal, so we have France and Portugal right now. Okay, so wait, this video, if I play this, does it work or not? Okay, yeah, that works. So it's again the wrong amount of frames that's being given. Oh, whoops. Yank word p no change this, insert append. Okay, let's see what that gives. Maybe better results. Okay, so this gives more of a realistic amount. So we have 29.70. So let's quickly calculate to how many frames that would be times 30. So around 81, around 80 frames only. No. Okay. 1620 times 30. So around 48,000. So this is kind of close. Oh yeah, we still have the seconds as well. Yeah. Okay, no. So this is correct. So for this, we should take the on-file duration. But why? How, like, for some files, this is completely fine. I don't like FFmpeg. By the way, for the people watching on Twitch, like I know normally there's like a lot of streamers use background music. Should I also start using background music or? Like it's something I've been thinking about, like would it be a good idea or not? Okay, so there's a clear difference. It's like 10 times as much. So something is really going wrong with these durations. FFmpeg sounds like effects and pain. I I don't know like why. Why does it work for some formats completely fine and then for others it's just if you want it and help you focus, do it. Fine by me. Oh, I don't usually program music for the main reason because like my kids, if he's quiet, that's a bad thing, and I need to know when he's quiet. Mostly it's a bad thing. Oh, whoops. Mostly it's a bad thing. If he's crying, then if he's sleeping, that's another story. Then I want him to stay quiet. Okay, let's see what the duration sprints. I have a solution that I could try. So, okay, so we have format context prints a big number. So the duration that the video file itself has a bigger duration than the AV stream video. Which is supposed to be like that, soda. So. Because we basically need to do this time divided by AV time base. Normally that's thing is set, no, internal time based, I don't know. It's like 100,000. I don't think that will. Oh, whoops. Do you think the issue you have is it's one of FFmpeg's limitations? Because it works in one format fine and the other not. The thing with FFmpeg is it's a very wide. It's basically it tries to do everything with video formats, and video formats don't all work the same. There's a ton of differences, which makes some codecs like MP4, for example, extremely easy to work with. Like the whole 8.264 and 265, those codecs are very, very easy to work with. But the moment that you go to more older codecs, especially, like MPG, what other ones do you have? WMV, Windows Media Video, MKV, those tend to be a little bit more troublesome. Even though MKV is also an 8.264 codec, it is an older one because it uses Matroska. So it's kind of FFmpeg's limitation, but also not, because they still provide the tools to actually get the correct data. If you were to use FFmpeg, by example, through the command line, then you will probably get the correct data from it. Because it has, like, they have their own implementation of their own codes doing those kind of things. What I think I will do is, for now at least, I don't think this will cause any issues. So if I take this, this, That will always be lower. I think if we take any other video file, that's like a 4. Oh. Let's try this. I don't know anymore how I can like fix this. This is getting kind of... But I feel like if I were able to fix this... Okay, so this actually displays like the correct... Well, yeah, this displays the correct amount, so this is probably correct. So we should actually go to this function and not like skip the AV stream duration, because that is clearly not correct. Oh. Okay, we're getting somewhere, So total frame number, like the AV stream video duration, is only a little bit higher than what we're getting from this function. But this is on like a very short video. How about this one? This one is basic, yeah, it goes through file duration. Like this is very, very close. This is also very close. And this one is completely off. Like for this one, stream duration will be better. Wait. Oh wait, no, eh? Wait, which file am I taking? Oh wait, this one is broken again? Okay, thinking time. So for some files, just getting the duration from the video itself works better. For others, it doesn't. So what I'm thinking of doing is take this. This will look extremely bad, I know. Ah, my paste will be gone, yeah. So let's yank this. Let's paste. Let's add this times 2. I think this could. I told you FFmpeg is a sect, a cult. I think I figured the way out. I don't think it's a proper way, but nope, 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 nope. I'm still doing something wrong. Right, that was based on stream duration. Okay, no, it should be the other way around. So if AV stream duration is smaller than the amount of frames that AV format context duration thinks it takes, then we take the AV stream duration. Else not. Okay, I have a feeling that this will work. So first up, normal test footage. Oh wait. Eh? Where does this number come from? Ah, yeah, AV stream duration. Okay, so this one gets MB frames, this one does not count. No, we did. Ah. Okay, this one always takes long. Oh, but this one displays correct. Why did they film a toilet? Does it depend on the format or on the duration? Wait, what do you mean? I think it depends on the format. So this one seems to take way too long right now. But why? Oh, And that's my timer to say it's bedtime. um, so AV stream video duration, it's minus, yeah. So of course AV stream duration will be small, like, yeah. I mean, if it tests two different .wmv videos, I think right now with the current setup this works. So yeah, it takes a little bit of time to load, but that's just because the whole format is broken. So yeah, this works. Oh, I remember this. I remember this moment. So yeah, these files will all work well. The main problem right now is AV stream duration is minus. So can I have like a multiple things? So for example, if -1 is -1 is bigger than AV stream video, and AV stream video is smaller than. Oh wait, no, this will also cause issue. Oh no, no, if, yeah, no, okay. This if statement, I really don't like it. I really don't like this if statement. Kdenlive is open source. You can see how they handle different types of files. The thing with the Kdenlive is they don't do crap. Like they literally don't really touch the video files at all. Because they use they don't use FFmpeg, they use something called MLT, which is a framework for video players, for video editors. And as far as I know, except for Olive, the Olive video editor, all other video editors all other video editors use MLT, which is this framework. It gives timelines and everything. So the only thing you need to do is provide a user interface. And this project handles all the rest. So they don't handle any of the files themselves. That's all that MLT does, all that stuff. MLT uses FFmpeg, but seeing how many problems Kdenlive has and shortcuts have, those problems are because of MLT. Again, nothing bad against MLT or Kdenlive, but Kdenlive is really wanting me to pull my hairs out. But yeah, I could look at this code. I tried. Yeah, I did not become any wiser. So yeah, it is a good suggestion. Like, yeah, there's a reason why video editing on Linux is not great, and that's because everybody uses MLT. But as far as I can tell, there is not really much enough support for MLT to actually provide the resources needed to make it work more properly. But a large part can also be on the Kdenlive approach then, that their user interface is not functioning properly or interacting properly with MLT. That's also a possibility. Okay, let's see if this works. Take some time to load. Oh. This is new. Why? Oh no, it's still the same thing. So the total amount of frames is too high. So this bases itself on the stream duration, whilst it should not base itself on the stream duration. But why? Why? Oh, whoops. Yank. Let's make this if statement even worse. Let's. Oops. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, normally this should work. I should really stop saying that or have a button that says it for me instead. So this works because it's based on NB frames. This is actually a properly formatted video, MPEG 4. Thank you. Normally this one as well. This one also based on NB frames because it's a good codec. And then we go to the bad codecs. Wait, we're working with negatives. We're working with negatives, that's why. Oh yeah, no, NB frames, that one works properly. Like, it was based on stream duration, but it was a 0, so this should work? Based on stream duration, why will stream duration be 0? No. So we need to make certain that the duration of the stream is higher than 1, basically. Because it can be minus 9 billion. Okay, works. Okay, I think I got it. MXF. Works. WMV. Takes a long time, but that's because bad format. Okay, works. Next WMV. Takes a long time, but old format. Works. No errors yet. WMV. Let's see this one. Works. Yeah, just the ending is kind of bad. Ah, my grandfather. My grandfather. So wait, and how about this one? The MPG. Error decoding audio packets. Well, that's not necessarily a bad problem. Wait, is that audio? Is there audio in this video? Okay, will probably take some time. Okay, I think I got it fixed. Okay, yeah, that is audio. Okay, so now we have an audio problem. I'll save. Error decoding audio packets. Okay, we're almost done. We're almost done. Just the audio now. Whoops. Okay. Almost. I don't want to end the stream until I solve that issue. Like, this seems very doable. And I think I'll soon, from tomorrow, I think I'll probably stop using NeoVim for coding in GoZen, in Godot. It's not very convenient, I think. So it was the error. Oh, whoops. Error decoding audio packets. So we have a problem here. But what is the error? So supply raw packet data as input to a decoder. Internally, this call will copy relevant AV codec context field, which can influence decoding per packet, and apply them when the packet is actually decoded. For example, AV codec context.skip frame, which might direct the decoder to drop the frame contained by the packet sent with this function. Warning, the input buffer. Well, I don't want to be the messenger of bad news, but you still didn't test mov.webm. Okay, yeah, okay. Let's first do that before we go into the audio. I think normally I have some older footage. Like, oh wait, I have another one. I have MTS footage. Am I sharing my screen? Yep. I have MTS footage of my very first trip to Japan. I've actually been wanting to fix this footage because the interlacing is kind of bad in the video I made of it. I think interlacing has, like, there's a tool here, playback video. De-interlace, automatic. If I put it on off, the interlacing is normally quite bad. Oh no, it's not. Okay, so the video editor I was using at the time was not very great. Okay. It does something. Oh well. So MTS. Does MTS work inside of the video player? Okay, it's actually not a problem. It's just because variable frame rates. Yeah, no. Real frame rate 50, average frame rate 25. I don't think this is a variable frame rate. I think this is because it's the interlaced footage. Because there's interlacing going on. I think in this... I think there's a certain amount of interlacing going on. Because I remember having a problem with that. If I can see it... I can't see it, so I'm not 100% certain. Maybe in this one it's more noticeable. I see a little bit of screen tearing going on, but that's about it. Okay, let's leave it off and let's just... Nah, no, it's just variable frame rate. Okay. Not MP4, MTS. Okay, let's quickly check. Okay, so we have MTS, Paradisa, MP4. That's also MP4. Don't I have any MOV file? Oh! No. No. Also MP4. Do you know like any like VFR? Oh, wait. Is there even a way to support it properly? VFR? I meant from an editing standpoint, not playback. Oh yeah, variable frame rates. Honestly, if I would have the time, I am almost 100% certain that I will be able to make it work. It would just require a ton of work, and it could make the playback of other videos slower if not implemented correctly. But honestly, I don't like a lot of video edits. By example, wait, am I sharing my screen right now? No, no. Okay, oh, luckily. If, by example, if I go into live Japan, my first day in Japan, let's share my screen. If I open Kden Live, by example, if I were to open, like add any variable frame rate footage, normally it should throw an error. Okay, so I really start to think that this is really with interlacing. Or the method that I use to check for variable frame rate is not correct. Not really, that's why many video editors throw a message saying that to convert it first. Yeah, like even Adobe Premiere Pro also has like a message from like, okay, you can use this file, but it's preferred that you transcode it. And on Kden Live, normally if you enter a variable frame rate video, downloads I think. Okay, yeah, this file I know is variable frame rate, and of this I'm certain. And this will give an error. The following clips are not usable for editing. This will transcode them into a more friendly format. So yeah, this has a variable frame rate. So my videos of my first trip don't have variable frame rate, but the frame rate is still not correct. Okay, that's strange. Where do I check this? Where do I check the variable frame rates? Okay. So the real frame rate versus the average frame rate, but the R frame rate, is it really like the real frame rate? Real base frame rate of the stream. This is the lowest frame rate with which all timestamps can be represented accurately. Note, this value is just a guess. For example, if the time base is 1/90,000 and all frames have either approximately 3, okay. $50 to 1. Okay. You could not snap at all to make the timeline frameless, but I think that results in various technical and UX issues. Basically, the snapping will not 100% work or line up. Like there will be problems. Like I'm not saying that it will be a perfect experience, but you can interpolate between the frames to show like an average of what that moment would look like in a video. But it's really not, yeah. Honestly, the more I think about VFR, the more I feel like I should not support that. If the VFR is in a way that it's more doable, like that the frames missing, the variable frame rate missing is if it's like skipping a frame like all the frames are like this size, and then the frames that are being skipped is like the double size of a normal frame that's happened before. Then we could just take this first frame and just put it there as well. But yeah, a lot of VFR as well. With variable frame rate videos, there's a lot of interpolation going on to make the video still appear more smooth. So yeah, will I support VFR in GoZen? Give me 1 extra year, maybe, fully dedicated to that, but for the time being, I don't think I would want to, yeah. Most modern video formats use a time base, yeah, especially when you use like phones, by example. I also mentioned this in the last live stream. So phones, older cameras, they will use VFR because it's more storage friendly. And then you use something like the PTS, like get the frame PTS. This helps a little bit to get like the average like the presentation timestamp. This will say how long that frame is being shown on screen before the next frame comes. So you could, like for a video player, you could take that into account to do that. But if you look at, by example, VLC, the amount of extra details that you can have in a video, yeah, I don't think I will be able to do that, to be honest, to like take that into account. Yeah, no, this video has the interlacing. You can kind of tell by certain areas. Or was it just a... Was it? No, it's just baggy footage. Yeah, Impact 2. This is Impact 2 transport stream. So what this basically says is Impact 2 codec transport stream is mainly for the interlacing, I think. Let's look it up. Hey, for the video player thingy, how did you to preserve the image aspect ratio? At this moment, I think if you go here and wait, I'll quickly go to the baby folder. Oh, if I go in here and add this here and start playing it, the aspect ratio, the size, is getting taken from the video. So, whoops. If I go in here, I basically take the size. Where is it? Hey? Where is the size? I thought I... I thought I got the size of the video, but I think what I'm doing here is basically, like, I get the image quality. So what I'm doing is probably just like the panel, the texture rect, I have ignore size and keep aspect center. So it will always take the aspect ratio of the picture inside of it. So I think that's how I was able to do it. So stretch mode, keep aspect centered, and expand mode, just ignore size. And I have the panel in which it is residing inside, it's just fully expanded. And this one, yeah. I believe smartphones are kind of prone to produce videos with accidental frame rate changes. Example, if stories become slow, yeah. That could also be one of the reasons. I know they prefer variable frame rate because of storage space, but it could also be because of slow, like, especially nowadays phones, they can record in like 4K. My kid was making noise, he's still sleeping. Yeah, 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 there's a lot going on in phones, and same for older cameras. They could not really handle the speeds, I think. That's probably also one of the reasons. Oh, not in context or for Godot. I'm asking in general. I'm learning OpenGL, and right now I'm trying to render an image, and I can't figure out the aspect ratio part. Oh, inside of OpenGL, it really depends on like how you're displaying the image. I guess the whole aspect ratio. It's just take the size of the image, figure out the aspect ratio for that. Like it, yeah, it's just a math or a general idea. Like, oh, how would you calculate the aspect ratio of an image? I'm not that great at math, so let's hope Python. So we have 920 times 180. So this equals to like 1960 and 69. I don't know, but there is a math calculator. I think you could probably very easily find that out. How calculate aspect ratio. Oh, it's just divide by height. I should really start. 1.7 is the aspect ratio. Ah, okay, the screen. If I remember usually I think you would calculate the position for a quad and then render a texture on it using the entire UV space. Yeah, but the reason why your screen is all stretchy is because you're not calculating the viewport correctly. So you should really take in mind all the size of the window itself and adjust the image itself, adjust the camera perspective. I remember when I tried to do that. Normally there's like an OpenGL. This one, nope. This one, yeah, this one. Normally in the getting started, normally there's like a section in here that's well, this has been some time. Every time when you resize the screen, you should normally like yeah, on every window resize by registering it. So basically you take this function and you have to call this every single time when the bit change. I think I have a that's oh whoops. I think I have a project on GitHub, private, in which I was able to do the whole thing. Let's see. I have not looked at that code in a long time. I don't know if it's still on my GitHub because I recently cleaned everything a little. So yeah, I used to do a lot of those kind of things because I really wanted to learn about OpenGL. C++ scripts, no. Oh. No. Maybe in C++ scripts. Okay, I think I got something. So in source of engine, I think, and CPP, I never really got that far into it. Oh wait, no, yeah, I really did not get far into it. Game main CPP. Oof, no, I used to have a lot more. But I don't think I saved it at all. Ah. Nope, no, this is like just the very beginning. I think I only made this for remembering how to do shared objects and linking. So, yeah. UV coordinates are normalized. You need to hand at least aspect ratio to the shader using a uniform. I'm learning core profile. Have not heard about. Yeah, the core profile. GLF OpenGL core profile. Yeah, I remember that I made some kind of like function to all the advertisements. I remember that I made like a function every single time when the frame will change, I would do some things. Like I did not follow this 100% correctly because I was having issues. Yeah. Still 5 years. What was I doing again? Okay, I got completely distracted now. Sorry. What is working? So everything's still working, right? Yep. Yep. I should probably be careful with these baby time videos because I'm almost certain in one of these videos I'm naked. But like 1 or 2 years old, so not that much to see. About 5 millimeters, I think. Okay, now all videos still seem to work. The MOV files, is there like a place where I can get like test footage? Yeah, the moment that you go to like OpenGL stuff, things get complicated quite quickly and it can easily become kind of a problem. Yeah, convert one of your videos. I could convert, but the problem is my PC is not that quick. Oh, luckily I'm not sharing my screen right now. Okay, yeah, no. You know what I'll try? Let's quickly take this. Let's cut it down. Let's not take that one. Let's not take that one. I remember that video. Nope. Let's just take this. This is short one. Exports. Exports. I don't think I can export to MOV inside of Kdenlive. Okay, what will be the command to convert this to any progress MOV sample files online? Well, I was having a quick look to find like test video files. There's like a list. Not MP4, not MP4. These are all MP4 files. Okay. FFmpeg convert to MOV. Stack Overflow. Okay, this will probably take some time. Does this have any information about it being variable frame rates? I still don't think that's a variable frame rate video. I have trouble believing that's a variable frame rate. The only thing that I can think of is that it's interlaced. Because like perfectly half of it. Which does not make sense. It does not make sense. Any pro... Yeah, container formats I found can also influence the end result. I'm not 100% certain like how or why, but yeah. Something that I will do, right now we're using SVR, SV resample, to convert the UF format, the UF 420p, to a more usable format by Godot, but I'm thinking of just sending the bytes like that and using a shader to convert it. But that could give extra trouble. Yeah. Something I will have to look into. Okay, did this finish? Okay. So we have our MOV footage. I don't think this will cause any issues. Hora, 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 hora. I knew it was interlaced. You can clearly see it being like, you can clearly see that it's interlaced. So yeah, the problem is interlacing. So how can we solve this? How can we still, like, if it's interlaced, we should still be able to show it. There's some way to make FFmpeg dump all kind of information, and yeah, there is an FFmpeg command, but oh, we don't. Oh, whoopsie, whoopsie, whoopsie. Oh, whoops. And that's why I need my thing. We can clearly not see it. Okay. Wait. Okay. One more time. So you can clearly see that it's interlaced. Like, it's very, very obvious. All the lines with data. Like, I thought it was interlaced, and I was almost certain, like, but that's also, why is this footage? Oh wait, this footage is like this. Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh. Hey. Okay, dolphin crest. Okay, we were just talking about the aspect ratio. Okay, why does this not work anymore? Okay, why is the aspect ratio off? Wait, am I... We were just talking about the aspect ratio and I was kind of happy that it was working. And now suddenly it's like, no, how about I don't work? Oh. Okay, this works a little bit better, but... Why? Why does it behave like that? Fit heights? I am showing my screen, right? Yeah. Ignore size. Keep aspect centered. So why? Well, this is an issue. Wait, and is like everything like squished together, or yeah, everything is squished together. The camera is not round anymore, so it's really the aspect ratio of this thing. Why? We're keeping the aspect. This will completely mess it up. Does the footage have non-squared pixels? Ah. Oh no, no. Ping pong. That, yeah. Yeah. This has a very straight, it's 1440p, but because of the pixel size, yeah, oh. So, yeah. Oh, whoops. Wait, did I put the issues in here? No. Okay, let's put them in GoZen lite. Um. Okay, let's assign myself to this because I don't know how many other people will be able to solve this problem. Well, we also still have the not variable frame rate stuff. Variable frame rate is real frame rate divided by 2. This will probably need to change, but if it's like a perfect amount, yeah, let's look in downloads. Normally this footage should still print, yeah, cool not open, okay, variable frame rate, okay. How about this? NTS. Real frame rate 50. Wait. So the real frame rate divided by 2. So it's 50. So it should become 25. If 25 isn't 25, is it? Oh, wait, I haven't built yet. Yeah, no, my fault. Oh wait, I really enjoyed your series on YouTube about GoZen. Heading out now. Thanks for the stream. See you next time. See you next time. Have a good night. Have a good day. Okay, so this should work. Yes. Oh, whoops. Oh, wait. Oh, but now the... Okay. One fix. So right now, if you get the frame rates... So right now the video plays at double the amount and double the speeds. Wait, was it audio? Why is there no audio? Why did audio not work? Wait, is audio working of any of the video files right now? Did I mess something up? Yeah, that works. Well, one more thing for the to-do list. Wait, is it because... Nope. Okay, first frame rate. Wait, what is this report? Do I send this? Okay. Print visual.get context frame rates. What am I doing? I'm trying to make my video player inside of Godot work so I can make my video editor inside of Godot. But right now I'm kind of struggling. Oops. Get context frame rates. Yeah. Oops. Okay, so I think we should always use the context frame rate. That one seems to be more reliable. So I think we should just maybe. Well, let's first check downloads. Let's check this one. Let's yank this. Go in here. Oh. How many people are watching on Twitch right now? We have 6 viewers. This is a new record. Is this VS Code or are you working in JavaScript? GS? No, NeoVim. I'm trying it out, but I think I'll probably start working inside of the main Godot script editor again. Yeah, let's just see what this gives. Okay, that gives like 60. The context frame rate. So the real frame rate seems to be kind of wrong most of the time. Wait, is it? Oh, oops. Okay, instead of doing this here, if the average frame rate is the same as if the average frame rate is the same as AV like context video. There's something I really like about NeoVim. It works so much faster to get all the auto completion. Yeah, frame rates. So I think that probably works for most of it. Okay, let's start this. This should throw an error. Yep. Then this. That works. Okay. So average frame rates together with the context frame rates. That's probably the better way of doing it, handling it. We still have the non-squared pixels. Like 1 pixel is like 1.4. I think we could probably just calculate. So 1 and 2 divided by 1.440. Yeah, so 1.33. Oh, good eye. Checking for non-squared pixels. VLC is able to do it, so no. Do show. Do you think he did it on purpose? Yeah, no, I don't think that person did it on purpose. Yeah. No, if they would have done it on purpose, they would have tried doing something, kinda. And normally you don't copy your stream key, so yeah. Normally you don't copy it every single time when you stream, so yeah, no. I don't think malicious. I will have to look into the whole square pixel stuff. Right now, audio is not working. I don't really know why. I think it's because of seeking. I think. Oh, whoops. Oh. No. What if I put this on -1? Okay, no. Will you do through CSS? You can do one. Why CSS? I'm not Oh, whoops. I'm not working in a like a website environment. I'm not. Okay, audio is not working. Why is audio not working? I don't really get why, but one thing that I will quickly do is okay, I don't think this will cause any issues. I feel like I'm slowly losing my voice. Oh dang, you're still going. How has your brain not imploded? Well, my voice is giving up more and my kid is not really... Yeah, he's not having a good time. He's like completely on the carpet right now, so... Yeah, I think I'll probably make an end to this stream and give myself some rest. We have audio in the beginning. But only in the beginning, then something goes wrong. Oh, and yeah, no, and yeah. Wait, how far did it go? Okay, so it's recording more frames than there actually are. It's a problem to fix tomorrow. Okay. Well, first of all, before I go, thank you very, very much for all the Ko-fi supporters. I've been able to like actually work a lot more because of it and feel more confident that I can actually make this whole stay-at-home dad thing work. My kid is crawling over the floor right now. Okay, so yeah, I think it's time to say bye. Nemetai? Also. Hi, bye bye, va? Well, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next probably stream, unless I'm able to edit the video. If I do a stream next time, I'll probably go on the weekends. During the week, there are not that many people watching. Oh well, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.